going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now you join me today. I'm sat inside the Focus at the moment, but not for much longer, because we are going to be installing some rear spacers to the car. Now the whole idea, or the whole end game, is to eventually get spacers for the front and the rear, but at the moment all I've got is the rear. I picked them off eBay for around 65, 70 pounds I think, and they are the Dorenza 15mm spacers, obviously 5x108s, which is the PCD layout for this car. If you do want to go and buy them yourself, I'll put a link in the description below, and obviously if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to stay tuned to the end to see how the rear spacers look on the Focus ST. Let's get straight into it. There we have it. That looks really good actually. I don't know if you can see that properly on camera. It's got like a matte black finish to it. It looks really nice. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these installed on the car. Right, so the first thing that we're going to need to do now that we've got the wheel off is go ahead and clean up this surface area here, just from any dirt and grime, so that we can get a smooth flat contact surface for the spacers, which are just there. Alright, so I'm just going to get some like sandpaper and give that a rub down. That is good. That is on there nice and firmly, so all we just need to do now is just obviously go ahead and do the bolts up. So as you can see, boys, I've got the spacer on there. I'm literally just going to go ahead now and start to do up these bolts, and then once we've got them up, we're going to tighten them up. The bolt size that you need is, what is it? Halfords, I don't know, it just says 3/4 inch, whatever that is. That is probably 16 or 18 mil or 17, something like that. One of those ones. Sorry, this isn't a tutorial by the way. But yeah, once you've got them on there, just go ahead and tighten them up like so, and you should be good to go to just put your wheel back onto these nuts here, and then obviously just do them up with the normal bolts. So we're just going to go ahead now and lower the car, see how it sits with the arch. Should be fine, but you never know, and then we'll tighten up the bolts. I swear, every time I try and record something, my camera just falls over. But there we have it, lads. That is dropped now. That will probably sit down a little bit more, to be fair. Not much you can tell from this angle, but you can definitely notice the difference if you look from here. The wheel is just more prominent, so if you look at that side like that, that's after, then before. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Should I keep them on? Should I not? I think they look quite good personally. I I'm not going to go ahead and record exactly the same on the other side. Let's see if we can get some good lighting. There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to record exactly the same on the other side, so I'll come back to you once I've got both of the rear ones done, and then we'll see what you boys think, and then we'll call it there. But it's a relatively simple video, to be honest. It is so easy to do the wheel spaces, so apologies that it's not more daring or advanced. It is a relatively basic thing to do, so, but it can change the way your car looks quite well. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the other side now, and I'll come back to you in a second. Right boys, so we managed to get the other side on. I think it looks pretty ping. You can see it fits much better in the arch now. We're not left with a massive gap. There still is a little bit of a gap, but I think it is necessary to have a little bit of a gap, because otherwise you're going to get people in the car and then it's going to start rubbing on the arches like it did with my previous car. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video, boys. Sorry that it's not been a massive mod. I've still got a pretty dirty though, and doing it, and I think it looks pretty good. But let me know in the comments below what you boys think, and if you've done it yourself, how many mils you went for. Like I said, I did 15 in the end. I've seen a lot of people do like 20 on both. I might leave the front, I'm not sure. The front sits pretty well. Let me know again in the comments below, should I keep the fronts or should I leave the fronts as they are? I think it looks pretty good as it is, but there we go. Hopefully we're going to be getting some side skirts and a splitter soon, but that is going to be for another video. So if you did go ahead and enjoy, obviously drop it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one with some more Focus SD content. Thanks for watching. Peace.